Hi beauties, Maria here from Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Pro Precision Eyeliner Brush from Beauty Junkees. This brush is designed for applying a tight line to the upper and lower lash lines using liquid, gel, cream, as well as powders. Now the very small and flat shape of this brush makes it really great for getting those really precise lines, very clean, crisp lines. You can simply just line above your lashes. It's also really great for creating a winged liner. You're really going to get that precision effect with this brush. To start, dip the brush gently into your desired product, either liquid, gel, cream, or powder. I will be demonstrating using a black eyeshadow. To apply, start by placing the brush horizontally at an angle to match your eye, with the longer bristles facing your ear. Then at your lash line, going from the outer corner of the eye moving towards the inner corner, gently sweep forward to place product. Going from the outer corner to the inner corner rather than the inner corner to the outer helps prevent the product from skipping. As well, it prevents you from having to tug on your delicate eye area. Once you get a little closer to the inner corner, you can then turn the brush around and sweep back just a touch. And that's how you can create a simple liner look. If you would like to create a wing, turn your brush again with the pointed end facing your ear. Angle the point towards the tail of your brow and line it up with the outer corner of your eye and create a small line. This is just the start. You can always create a larger or longer wing after you create this start. Then go from the top of the line you created and sweep the brush forward towards the center of your lash line. From there, you can adjust the wing as desired, filling it in with more product or creating a thicker or longer line. And that's how you use the Pro Precision Eyeliner Brush from Beauty Junkees. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.